Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
To explain the difference between where, let, and constant, let's create an index.html and index.js. Now we will make a simple HTML markup in index.html. So this is a basic markup that we are creating. Inside the script, we will pass the source with our index.js file. Now in index.js, we will create a console.log ns code just to check if our path is defined properly or not. Let's open the file index.html with live server. So on inspecting console, we can see ns code. In the console, we will see ns code, which means our JS has been added properly. Now we'll go to index.js. We'll create a variable a which is equals to 5, and let's create a function. Function will be named as add and a console of variable a. So we'll simply write console.log a, and we will call the add function inside here only. So now let's call the function add, and also we will console the function console.log a outside this function, so we can check the value of a. So here a is 5 and other console is 5. This means a is globally defined or scoped, globally accessible, and can be globally modified. Let's check how let can be worked. So let's create a variable let b equals to 3, and let console.log a plus b equals to a plus b, and here we will console. So on save, basically we can see that a plus b equals to 8, right? Because 5 plus 3 is 8. But now if I console.log b outside this function, this will give me an error, and this error will be of reference error, that is b is not defined. This means b is inside that function only and its scope is within that function only. We cannot access that b outside that function, right? This means the scope of b is local. Now let's create a constant c which is having value equals to 10, and let's console.log c. The scope of this constant is global, right? But the thing is that we cannot modify this c. Even though it is global, we cannot modify its value. Now as you can see, there is an error because console.log b is breaking. So now as you can see, console.log c is giving us 10. So the value of c, if I want to if I tries to change the value of c, if c equals to a plus b, this will become 8. So as defined, c is already 10, but it cannot be 8. So it will give me an error, that type error, assignment to the constant variable. This means a constant variable cannot be modified. This means the c value is, the constant is scoped globally, but it cannot be modified. Even I try to assign a value c equals to 20 or something and console the same or save the same, I can see the same error, that assignment to constant variable is not it's a type error. So in this way, this is the difference between let, var, and constant. Thank you.